Going on, y'all? Shagasi Paris. It's been a minute since I posted a YouTube video, but since the last time I really posted a YouTube video, my life has changed in a dramatic way. I just want to share a clip of this video from the Squad Creatives Podcast. The full video will be on the Squad Creatives Podcast channel. You can tap in over there. The link will be in the description. Basically, I took the first shot of the Pfizer vaccine, and my life has forever changed since then. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. Join Squad Creatives Facebook group. Follow Squad Creatives Podcast here on YouTube. Seek Paris 12 on Apparel. I'll see y'all in a second.
Going Apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cried.
So it started September the 15th. I went and got the first shot for the vaccine. And I'm not telling nobody get it. I'm not telling nobody not to get it. But I was against the vaccine. Y'all have heard me say that on here. And my wife had to get it for work because she works in the medical field. I was like, babe, if you get it, I'm going to go get it. And she had like symptoms for maybe a day and got over it. I had symptoms got the symptoms like, and was just feeling really bad. And every day it just got worse and worse. So like a weekend, I'm like basically have the coronavirus, but I'm not coronavirus positive. But like even now, my taste buds are messed up and the whole nine. Like I couldn't eat, drink, to the point of like, I believe it was day 6 or 7. I couldn't eat nothing. So my wife was like force feeding me baby food just to get something into my body, waking me up and making me take sips of water, like to the point where I don't want to be bothered. I'm like, leave me alone. You know, I don't want that. Like I couldn't drink, I couldn't eat, nothing. And so, but I don't know, I can't remember. It was either day 6 or 7. She takes me to emergency and they run tests. First, they're saying I got the coronavirus, but I don't have the coronavirus, like, because at this point, I have some of the symptoms, but it's not, I'm just messed up at this point. So the conclusion was what they came to after the test came back positive. They deemed that I was allergic to the vaccine, which this is something that's happening to people. People are allergic to it, and nobody, and it's not being broadcast. Like you don't see it in the media, but like the nurses and doctors told me they seeing it more and more. So you never know you never know how you're gonna react to the coronavirus. I mean, excuse me. You never know how you're gonna react to the vaccine. And so it's your choice. Like, I don't feel like people should be forced to get it, because after what I went through, and like what I've already told you, this ain't even the worst of it. I'm leading up to that now. But so it's not, I think it should be a choice, but that's neither here nor there. So anyway, so my wife
Going Apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cried.